Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'll be reviewing and swatching Nykaa's Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the variant Smokey at 8. I'll also be doing two different looks with this palette, so without further ado, let's nerd over some makeup. This palette retails for Rs 5.99 and I got it for a discount for Rs 4.79. There are 10 shades in this palette and I loved the color story of this one because you can create some really subtle everyday looks as well as very complicated looks. So the first shade is a very flesh-like, skin-like shade. I don't know if you can see it, but I've swatched it twice over here and it's still very skin-like, so yeah. The second shade is a peachy pink shade, which can be even used as a blush. It's very pretty, it can be used on the crease and as a transition shade. Yeah. The third shade is the rose gold shimmer shade. It's really pretty and quite pigmented too. The fourth shade is a rosy pink shade. That can be used to give a nice wash of color for everyday looks. The next shade is a coppery shimmer shade. This can be used as an inner corner highlight or just an eyeshadow on its own. The next shade is a pure gold shimmer shade. I love this shade. It can be used for so many different looks. It can be used for highlighting in the inner corners, the brow bone, cheeks, everywhere. It's beautiful. The next four shades are the darker shades in this range. So here's a brown color which can be used for everyday smoky eye kind of looks as well. Hit the like button if you like this so far. The next one is a darker brown shade. I love these kind of shades because you can use it to make a really nice smoky eye. Ooh, the next shimmer shade, oh my god, that's a brown based shimmer which has slight coppery undertones to it. And the next one is the problematic one, which is the black shade, and it is quite patchy when you swatch it with your finger, but when you're blending it with a brush it is quite easy, as you'll see later. So I'm going to swatch it twice just to show you the pigmentation. So yeah, those are my hand swatches and I hope that was helpful for you. This is a beginner friendly palette, so anybody who's beginning with eyeshadows can use this one. It's quite worth it. Moving on to the eyeshadow looks, I'll be doing a day look on the right and a night look on the left. So let's get started. For the first look, I'll be using those pinky shades with the rose gold shimmer. I'm starting with the second peachy pink shade and putting it all over my crease area with a windshield wiper motion, and also extending it towards the tail of my eyebrows to give it a really nice elongated cat eye kind of look. I'm using this brush from the brush set from Mini, so everything I'll be using will be in the description box below. So take that eyeshadow on the lower waterline as well, so you get a really even look on the top and as well as the bottom. Taking the fourth shade, which is the rosy pink shade, and dusting the excess off, I'm doing the same thing, just giving it a little bit more depth and placing it in the inner corners and mixing it. So here you can see a little bit of fallout on the pan, but that's okay, that happens. I'm going to take the rose gold shade after all that blending and place it at the inner corners and inner half of the eyelid. I really love this shade. It just makes the whole look pop. So yeah, I'm going to place it right over there and I'm going to blend it with a brush just to make everything really seamless. Next, I'll be going with an eyeliner from Lakme's 9 to 5 range. This is an eyeliner I use almost every day. So yeah, the main reason I wanted to do two different looks is because I know for a fact that I won't be able to draw eyeliner the same on both the eyes, especially on camera. So yeah, here I'm trying to create natural kind of wing. Next, I'll be taking a kajal. This is from L18. I'll be outlining only the outer thirds and leaving the rest as it is. The next step is mascara. Here I'm using Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara. It's a nice mascara. It gives a lot of volume and also a little bit of length, just to give that pop. Ooh, don't forget the bottom lashes as well. So yeah, that's pretty much this side. I actually kind of liked it. It's very soft and everyday kind of look. So the next one, I'll be using the darker shades. Of course, I'm probably going to make it into a smoky eye. I'll start with the lighter brown shade and I'll be placing it all over my lid to give it a nice wash of color. I'll also be extending it to the tail of my eyebrows, just like I did on the other side, to give it a nice cat eye kind of a structure, which I am quite liking these days. This is, I think, a concealer brush. I don't know. I'm just using whatever I have with me. I'm using the second shade with the same brush and placing it on the outer corners to give it a depth. Remember, just keep blending. That is the key to a great eyeshadow look. So yeah, take it to the bottom as well. If you don't want a really dramatic kind of a look, it's okay if you just keep it to the top eyelid. You don't need to bring it to the bottom. But I was just trying something new here. So yeah, taking the black shade and placing it ever so slightly on the outer corners and blending it very well with the already existing brown shades. So yeah, it's quite easy to blend. I like it. I'm also going to take it to the bottom waterline and give it a nice blend all together. By the way, have you seen my previous video? It's on Nykaa's Ultra Matte lipsticks, and in that video I had done a smoky eye, so go check that out. I might make a tutorial on that as well. Now taking that shimmery brown shade, which I absolutely love. It's amazing. I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the other side, which is giving the inner half of the eyelid this shimmer. Wow, this is my favorite shade from this range. I can do one entire look with just this eyeshadow. It's beautiful. I love it. So yeah, I'm just extending it and placing it there and blending it with the rest of the shadows. I'm having so much fun with this. It's quite decently pigmented, this palette, yeah? Also, next going in with the eyeliner. Somehow my left eye goes on way smoother than the right one. It's so much easier. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if this happens to you. Do you have like a very easy eye? My easy eye is the left one. Yep. Going in with the kajal again, only the outer third of the waterline. And the mascara, of course, to finish the eye look. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more such videos. So yeah, continuing with the mascara. Now it's all done. Yep. Oh, I had two more shades left. The gold one, I've used it for the inner corner highlighter on the left side and the copper shimmer on the right side. That means I've used all my shades, and now I'm finishing it up with Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Twist. I have a detailed review on this, I'll link it below. So yeah, there you have it. This is the finished look. I quite enjoyed this, It came together pretty well. I was a little scared, but it did. Let me know which side you liked the most. Yeah, I hope you had fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time. Bye.